Hi everybody, welcome to my Cook at Home series with Tonya here at Cooking on the Bay. This series is going to be focusing on cooking real food, which is the food that I cook in my low carbohydrate healthy fat program, Cook Real Food. It's all about cooking healthy, delicious dinners for you, lunches as well, for you at home. And in these days, we need to keep our bodies as fit and as healthy as we possibly can, and this is a good step towards that with the food that we're going to be cooking in this series. For those of you who have been to my cooking classes before, you may like to go back and look at your recipe collections. There's usually about 12 dishes in these programs, in these classes, and I'm sure you haven't cooked them all. There'll be some favourites that you may like to recook, and there'll be some that you may like to choose and try again. These recipes from this series will all be on my website, and we will have them on Facebook as well. And in Facebook, prior to cooking them, I will actually have the recipe ingredients online, but you don't necessarily have to read to follow this in the order that I do them. You might just choose whichever you like. So do go to the website, check out the recipes, get yourself organised and come along and cook with me here. And hopefully we'll be able to cook together in this kitchen one day soon. Thanks very much. Bye-bye.